Hi friends, I am Akash Garg. Today we are going to see how you can create your own website completely free. So after watching this video, you will have your own website like this. As you can see, this is my portfolio website that I completely made it on WordPress only, and you will see how it is responsive. Let's take a look at once. Best part is your website can be accessed by anyone and from anywhere over the internet. So make sure you will watching this video till the end. So let's get started. Dividing this video into two parts. In the first part, we will follow these small steps that I mentioned here. In the first step, we will see general knowledge of WordPress. So in this, we get all the basic knowledge about WordPress. In the second step, I show you the difference between WordPress.com and WordPress.org, as it is one of the big confusion while starting creating the WordPress website. After that, in the third step, we'll launch our website. In this, we can create an account on profreehost.com. In the fourth step, we get the free domain and hosting and see what is domain and hosting in a short way. Then, in the fifth and the last step of this video is to install the WordPress on the domain. So, let's move forward to the first step, that is WordPress. WordPress is a platform which is used to create responsive websites. It lets us build websites easily without any coding or programming. WordPress is a open source software, so it is completely free. Now, what is an open source? Open source refers to a software for which the original source code is freely available and modified according to the requirement of the user. What's the another best part of the WordPress is it contains approximately 12,000 themes, which is just the template for the look of your website. You can change the font of the text and upload the videos as you want and much more. You can also choose approx 65,000 plugins that use to add new features to your website that makes your website more advanced. So building the website on WordPress is all up to you. Let's move forward to another step. What is the difference between WordPress.com and WordPress.org? So let's see WordPress.com first. First point is your website could be deleted anytime if you breaks the terms and conditions. The next point is you can't upload the plugins, and the next point is you can't upload a customizable theme, that is there is only limited options. The next point is if you want to make money, then this is not for you at all, as you also can't monetize with ads. The next point of WordPress.com is you don't own your domain name. It would be something like your domain name.wordpress.com, as I mentioned here, code with akash.wordpress.com. So now moves forward to wordpress.org. In this, you do all the things whatever you want to do to your website. You can add thousands of plugins, you can own your domain name, you can work with thousands of themes easily. Let's move towards the third step. Type profreehost.com in the browser and about for this video. Once you complete the first part, we move towards the second part of our tutorial, that is start building our portfolio, website and many more in the upcoming video. Thank you guys. Stay tuned, hit the like button, share and subscribe the channel for the upcoming video.